Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply as a Grab food delivery rider using a bike. First, open your preferred web browser and search for the official Grab website. Once you're on the website, tap the menu icon in the top corner and look for the Become a Partner option. From there, select Food Delivery Rider or Delivery Partner depending on your region. Next, click Sign Up to begin your application. If you don't see the sign up option on the website, download the Grab Driver or Grab Delivery app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and create an account using your phone number, Google account, or Apple ID. After signing in, start the registration process by entering your personal information. This usually includes your full name, mobile number, email address, and a valid government issued ID. If you have a referral code, you can enter it during registration. Next, choose your delivery vehicle. Select bicycle if you're applying as a bike delivery rider. Depending on your location, you may also see options for motorcycles or cars. You'll then be asked to upload the required documents such as your identification, a recent photo, and any additional documents required in your country. Make sure all the information is accurate before continuing. After completing the registration, review your application and submit it for verification. Once your documents are approved, Grab will notify you through the app or by email with the next steps. After your account is activated, you can log in, accept delivery orders, and start earning as a Grab food delivery rider. That's it. You've successfully learned how to apply for a Grab food delivery bike account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.